Today I'm reviewing Luxhom, the luxury real estate Elementor Template Kit by designer Santiv, available on Envato Market. Luxhom is specifically crafted for real estate agencies, property developers, architects, and interior consultants focused on premium and high-end living spaces. It's important to note that Luxhom is an Elementor Template Kit, not a WordPress theme, and is installed using the Envato Elements plugin for WordPress or directly through Elementor. First, let's talk about compatibility and setup. Luxhom works with WordPress version 6.8.3 and Elementor version 3.32.5. One of the major advantages is that it relies on free plugins only, so Elementor Pro is not required. This lowers the barrier for entry and keeps costs down for agencies and professionals who want to launch a luxury property website without subscription overheads. Purchase the kit once and get free updates forever. The kit is suitable for a range of real estate services, from agencies and property developers to interior consultants. It enables users to easily design sophisticated, visually stunning, and responsive websites with no coding required. The focus on high-end living means each layout is tailored to showcase exclusive villas, penthouses, modern estates, and investment properties, helping users position themselves firmly in the luxury real estate market. Luxhom stands out thanks to its unique and clean design, maintained through a robust design system. It uses unlimited color options and offers over 900 ready fonts, giving you flexibility and control over your brand's visual identity. The layouts are modern, organized, and entirely responsive. Your site will look great on any device. Additionally, full customization is possible, letting you modify any aspect of the design to suit your specific needs. Cross-browser compatibility is also a plus, supporting Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera for a wider reach. The kit includes 19 ready-to-use pages. These templates cover all the essential sections for a real estate website, including a global theme style, homepage, about us, property list, property detail, services, agent profiles, career opportunities, testimonials, partners, appointment scheduling, FAQs, process, 404-page, contact us, design guidelines, plus header and footer templates. The required plugins are Elementor, Elements Kits Lite, Metform, Gum Elementor add-in, and Chi add-ons for Elementor, all free. Installation and importing of templates use the Envato Elements plugin for WordPress or can be done directly in Elementor. The kit provides a detailed guide for setup with helpful links and support via Elementor's built-in help system. For Metforms, if you're using Elementor Pro, you do not need to install Metform or its blocks. Otherwise, the kit walks you through importing Metform block templates, integrating them into the pages, customizing and updating the forms with ease. Setting up global headers and footers is handled through Elements Kit. You simply import the templates, activate them for the entire site, and configure content via the built-in builder. If you're using Elementor Pro, headers and footers are customizable with the theme builder directly. A key note when using Luxhom is about demo images. Demo images shown in the kit are from Envato Elements. To use them commercially on your website, you'll need to obtain an Envato Elements license, or you can substitute your own images, a common industry standard. In summary, Luxhom is a robust, high-end template kit for professionals in the luxury property sector. Its clean and modern design system, broad customization options, responsive layouts, extensive page templates, and support for free plugins make it a strong choice for anyone aiming to create a prestige-driven online presence. With detailed guides and smooth installation, Luxhom strikes an excellent balance between luxury aesthetics and practical usability. If you're marketing luxury residences or investment properties, Luxhom can help your website embody the art of fine living.